Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I decided to do another easy to do autumn makeup tutorial for you. I have done my whole face this time. My last video I had done my eyes, and this time I've gone a bit bolder. I added the eyeliner and it's more of like a purple base, whereas last time there was a mixture of like brown and kind of like toffee color. This I kept it very kind of like plummy, and I done the lips a little bit darker as well. Not a lot of contouring, a lot of highlight though. And I've used the Revolution, the I Love Revolution lipstick. Now this one is the glitter lipstick. So what you do is when you put it on, you let it dry and then you press your lip together, and then the glitter should like appear. I don't know if you can see the difference. It's a little bit more, I think, kind of shimmery, I think, but I can't really tell. I can see like there are like glitters. Yeah. So I got this from Revolution. I paid $2.99 for it. I think it was like, I don't know if it was in a sale or not. So this would be like $2.99 to $4.99. So yeah, so this is in the color Stella. They do have other ones. And I will link the Revolution site below. Whereas this is slightly darker, I feel that you can do a lot more for like the upcoming Halloween, which I think I might improvise on in my next video using this makeup. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it yet. So yeah. If you would like to see how I created this very easy to do autumn look, please carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe below, and I will see you in the video.